Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 181. This was the 27th of February, 2023, a Monday. I did exercise and then I took my daughter to school, worked on insurance, worked on books, did two different things with insurance. So I'm doing Medicare and I'm also doing ACA. So I've been heavily involved with that and the books and insurance, and I'm taking a writing course. And then I was also doing some other administrative things. So that was basically it for day 181. Gratitude. I am just grateful for all the city employees, people who inspect building codes, and people who run our city, the city manager, the people who take care of things to keep us safe and keep everything going as far as the city goes. And a lot of people overlook the municipal employees, but I'm appreciative of that and grateful for that. So that's basically it for day 181. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. I will talk to you tomorrow.